Then,
What else should I do?
or just like coffee. This is
Less coffee, more coffee.
less or more. Yeah, and sugar
Less
or
sugar.
nothing.
This is okay for start. What is this?
Coffee.
More coffee or less coffee. More coffee.
Cream? No cream.
No cream. You didn't order cream. Here,
Creamy coffee latte.
yeah, it's good. It's good. I drank 1 cup. All right, now what's the magic over here? They get crushed at the bottom. Water is added, and it goes down.
Dripping.
Yeah, not dripping. It's the crushed and blend kind of thing. It's not drip coffee. And something's happened over here. I don't know what happens over there.
Maybe ice.
I can see only my face.
Okay.
Yeah, Ibu-kun got the coffee.
Yay! It's auto.
Automatically open and close.
You don't have to do anything. You just have to drink the coffee. Next month they'll have a vending machine which you don't have to drink coffee. It will be directly inputted into your body. It is tasty.
Tasty.